from machineloveus.com, and while I wait here in traffic, I thought I'd do another video about wrapping up the Casper writing series in preparation to make way for another series that's going to be coming out on the channel that will be about pulling, scraping, analyzing YouTube data. That's coming up. But in this video, wrapping up what we accomplished in the series that I was calling Casper. So stay tuned and let's get into it. Okay, so in this series, Casper Writing, what I had originally envisioned was to have a product, a data product that would actually generate text, and that you could add in some keywords and it would give you, say, 500 words of text that you could use. What I actually did was to use a package. There's a Python package that will, once you pass it into text, train a neural network to generate new text. I wasn't satisfied with what it produced. Likely I need to get a GPU, which you can also get on AWS, get massive amounts of data, which you can also do by scraping Reddit, and then you can generate convincing text with that. So that's one path that you could go down, you could follow through with. Okay, so let's walk back through the major points of generating this product. Every hour with AWS Lambda, the PRA API is called, and then from the PRA API, you grab the Reddit post. From there, you get all sorts of data about the post. You can get the upvotes, the date that it was created, what it's about, the text, the links, the images, and you can grab all of the comments that are there. So there are a small selection of subreddits that I've chosen to scrape and store in an AWS DynamoDB database. This is a NoSQL database, and it's constantly being updated. Now, all of this, by the way, is free with AWS free tier. I haven't been charged yet. I might start getting charged because I'm starting to use it more and more. It's really convenient. But I haven't been charged yet, and I am pulling Reddit posts, as many as I can, every hour. Okay, so we have this large database of Reddit posts flowing into AWS. So what do we use those posts for? So I went down the newsletter content generation path. And so what that is another AWS Lambda in the recent videos that would pull from these subreddits in this database that I just described, those videos with, let's say, more than 25 upvotes that were recently generated, recently posted, and it pulls out of there and then formats into an email that is then sent or created using the MailChimp API, a new campaign. So that happens every day, and that's the product that I'm going to wrap up with for this video series. If you produce one of these machine learning models, or if you have another data product that you want individuals to access to, you need to put it on the web somewhere. This could be just a WordPress site where they can download a PDF if that's what your data product is. In this case, the intent was to build a model and then make it accessible on the web. Because no model was built, I didn't move forward with that part of the series, but Flask REST Plus is a great backend infrastructure to use for RESTful development in Python. Vue.js is just a JavaScript layer that is relatively straightforward that you can learn pretty quickly. Okay, Roku, we were able to set up an app for free that we can access. Now, it's not live all the time because we're on the free tier, but with Heroku, you can get your demo app up and out there and in the public sphere very quickly. And so if you don't want to spend a lot of time on the DevOps part of it, you can use Heroku. And moving forward for other data products, I think that's what this stack will look like, is Flask, REST Plus for RESTful endpoints, and then a Vue.js JavaScript layer that can be modified pretty simply, pretty straightforward way. And then you can put data products that are usually nowadays built with Python, they don't have to be, into that application stack. So moving forward, that is what I will be using on this channel. So stick around, appreciate all thoughts and comments, and subscribe for more building out of data products. And I will see you in the next videos.